10 legit apps that pay you real money in 2025. Most people are searching for ways to make real money online. But what if I told you there are proven apps that actually pay? In this video, I'm going to share 10 legit apps you can use in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. Before we start, hit subscribe because here at Tenposs Digital Empire, we share only the most practical strategies to build wealth and financial freedom online. I know how frustrating it feels to waste time on apps that don't work. That's why I've picked 10 tested and trusted options. Stay with me until the end for a bonus tip to multiply your earnings even faster. Step 1. Swag Bucks. This app pays you for tasks like surveys, watching videos, and shopping. The points convert into PayPal cash or gift cards. Use it daily for consistent extra income. Step 2. Misplay. Perfect if you love mobile games. Play, earn points, and cash out. Simple as that. Step 3. Rakuten. Get cash back every time you shop online at major retailers. You're basically earning on purchases you'd make anyway. If this is helpful so far, hit the like button. It supports the channel big time. Step 4. Fiverr. Sell skills like writing, design, or editing. It's free to start, and the more gigs you post, the more clients you'll attract. Step 5. Upwork. Another freelancing platform, but often for bigger projects and long-term clients. If you have a marketable skill, this app can bring in steady income. Quick pause. Subscribe now to join Tenposs Digital Empire. We post weekly videos on making money online, investing, and digital wealth. And comment below which app you'll try first. Step 6. Acorns. An investing app that rounds up purchases and invests the spare change automatically. A hands-off way to grow money over time. Step 7. Coinbase. Lets you buy, sell, and earn crypto. Their Learn and Earn feature literally pays you for watching short tutorials. Step 8. Honeygain. This runs in the background and pays you for unused internet bandwidth. Passive income with no effort. Step 9. TaskRabbit. Great if you don't mind hands-on work like moving, cleaning, or assembling furniture. High demand in Tier 1 countries means solid pay. Step 10. Payoneer. Not a side hustle itself, but a must-have for freelancers and online workers. It makes global payments easy and often comes with bonuses. Bonus tip: don't rely on one app. Combine 2 or 3. For example, shop with Rakuten, freelance on Fiverr, and invest with Acorns. Multiple streams equals faster results. So, those are 10 legit apps paying real money in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss future lessons. Before you go, check out the next video on this channel. It's packed with more strategies to help you grow your digital empire. See you there.